Shooters understand the course of fire? Yep. All right, stand by. Threat. Alrighty. Good, clear. So,
I think I might have shot 4 targets.
You did, and if you're gonna come off, if you're gonna roll, so that was your first target that you shot from back there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I shot it again.
Well, and then you did a wide step out, and then you engaged like once you were already here and set. So like if I would have approached something like that in real life, I would have came up and just peeked it, and then shot, and then went through, and then boom, 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 and then kept firing through.
Yeah.
Instead of just roll through it, man. Like just keep going, keep that cheek weld, that positive cheek weld on, and roll through it, man. And you'll find that like you can shoot a lot faster, a lot more accurately.
Yeah, you switch sides.
Right.
You can be over there, and I'll stay over there.
Go pistol.
Take a couple steps forward for me. Cheers, ready? Stand by. Threat. Clear.
Being dry. Restart for my pistol mag.
Cheers, ready? Go ahead, load, make ready.
Oh, really? What? I didn't stop.
Now you definitely don't win.
Oh, I see. Smack that forward assist.
Stand by.
Threat.
Charge it.
There we go. That was great.
Good.
Awesome.
I think you loaded 2. Double
Clear. Awesome.
I didn't go wide then. You did not go wide. I went there. I went shallow. Next time we'll be right in the middle.
All right, everybody good? Alex, are we good? All right, go ahead, go down range. I definitely pulled, I know one. Okay, we're shooting a little low. Why are we shooting low? You know why you're shooting low?
No.
I'm guessing. Where is your point of aim?
I'm just trying to do center mass.
So like this is your point of aim?
Yeah.
So you're hitting where you should center mass, right? Why aren't you aiming like upper thorax?
I'm just used to doing like center mass.
I got you. So if you want to get realistic reps, right? What would you rather do? Hit upper, like be this your point of aim and then this your point of impact? Or would you rather just hit here and then work your way up? I don't know, I'm asking.
Probably do that.
Yeah.
I mean, like the way I was trained, I'm used to like double shot, then like a headshot if you can.
Yeah. It's pretty hard to pull off.
Yeah.
But there is some genius behind working your way up, like starting low and working your way up.
Yeah.
Pelvic girdle, it is a thing. Like real life, right? Like if this is a real life like target,
Yeah.
and you're hitting me right here, that's a problem for me.
Yeah.
So it's not that anything's wrong. I'm just curious. Some people prefer to aim low and then work up. Other people start here so that they can end it like start here.
Okay.
Good stuff though, man. I was just curious.
Yeah.
Don't know if you don't ask. So. Sweet.
Oh, I got fucking
Right. Everybody's going right.
Yeah, just remember, we're going right. Yeah.
Hey, Emmett, we're only doing this once, right?
Yeah.
Start in front of the barrel, though.
Stand by. Threat.
No,
All right, you're
start
going
behind
off the
barrel.
left. Stand by. Oh, you're good. Stand by. Threat. That barrel. Oh, yeah, so far back. I know.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, I took a.
I don't know the fifth one's on it.
One there.
That's where I fucked up.
One right there.
I pulled those two. Okay. Yeah, got it. All right. So which two were these?
That was
Coming through. Fourth and fifth shot.
Pull one?
I think it was.
I shot 5. I don't know where it went.
Because I felt like I rushed him when I did that. I think I might have been.
You're coming back.
That's like I had to carry it. That's what I did.
All right, go ahead and make ready. You guys understand the course of fire?
Yeah.
Any questions? No? All right, stand by. Brent. Wait for your buddy, wait for your buddy. There you go. Oh, where'd it go? I didn't see where it went.
Like right there.
Oh, I see it. Thank you. Yeah, good work. Let's go. Nope, this way. Run outside. There you go. I mean, you can walk through here now.
Said the outside.
Back up the middle.
Okay.
Instead of being right up on it.
Okay.
Show my wife how out of shape I am.
Shooters ready. Stand by. Potato.
Oh, that's a good one.
Go.
Ah.
I love that son of a barrel.
Clear.
Where copper? I'd have one 45 minutes to say hit barrels and he's gonna get around.
I had the bolt back and I picked it up and it fucking went forward.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Here's the next one. All right, everybody watch me. All right, what you're gonna do, you're gonna have your rifle on the ground in front of you, just like before. That don't change. And then on threat, you're gonna take off. Straight line. And target. All right, you're gonna get back to your barrel, right side. Guess what you're doing?
Load.
You're going to the
Oh yeah.
Oh, God.
suicide.
Woo!
And then you get back, pick up your rifle, 3 and 3. I wish you were short.
I think I've
All
got
right.
wrapped up.
Liking that.
All right, next 4 shooters, let's go.
Just turn back and look like, all right, somebody make an example. We're about to start losing people now. Where's the water? But where's the water? Not mapped up. Peak casualty much? Alright, so all the way down to the target, through your target, and then figure eight around the first barrel. And then how many shots?
Jeff.
Same thing?
Jeff. The course of fire is still the same, just what you're doing to get to is not.
Shooters ready? Stand by. Go!
Hey, hurry up, Jake! Hurry up! Is he doing that on purpose?
Keep going, keep going. Good hustle.
Let's go, Jake, hurry up!
Let's go, Ranger. Hurry up.
Faster!
Good job. You got back before people started shooting.
Ooh, that got low.
Oh, dude, I was like,
I thought you saw it. You looked down now. I thought you saw it.
That was in.
sweet.
Got well.
All right, next four. Go. Good stuff, good stuff. Good to go.
Yeah, go ahead. You good? Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, thank you.
Oh yeah, dude, good hustle. That's a run, dude.
Yeah.
Them dudes I was with was fucking way faster than me. I thought I was gonna hold my own.
Are we going left or are we going right still?
We're going right.
No, it's just people that just haven't gone yet? Okay.
Oh, I've went once.
Oh, you already went?
Yeah.
Do I go again?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you know.
Not gone yet? I thought it was car. You haven't gone yet? You haven't gone yet? Okay, we got enough. Do I go? Make ready.
You're gonna love that thing.
I love that about cars, how easy
Can we load and make ready? Load and make
Dude,
ready.
honestly, like, as much as people are making fun of Griffin for topping heights, they're doing some cool shit right. The M110 can would be cool if it didn't suck.
Stand
I
by.
haven't seen anything about it. It sucks.
Threat.
Dude, I can't even.
That's why he has no reason.
Good, good, good. I'm just trying to grab you, keep you up with the group, okay?
Yeah.
Good.
Where did that go?
I didn't run into the barrel.
I did.
See?
Pretty good?
He's got the Mark 11.
All right, go down.
I don't know where that went.
I think you got 4. Yeah. I just saw it, but your magazine was foul, so I just popped it up real quick.
I switched rifles on this one, so I was trying to get like a figure out where the dot was on the first one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
2, 3. See. We're somewhere in here, probably.
Yeah, because you got 2 out of 3, that was good.
I'm sure they're in there, man.
Yeah, I was like trying out his gun and like the sights are different, so.
Hey, JJ. Yeah. Hey, go ahead and tell them, like when you get back there, to go ahead and reload, drink water, 10-minute break. All right, cool.
Which that doesn't make any sense. How the fucking match?
You guys, 10 minutes. Just reload, drink water.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
All right, go ahead and make ready.
I won't even wear earphones. What are you talking about over there?
Your tape say blast my ass?
Nothing worth saying again.
Yeah, my bad. Stop cursing. It wasn't. I'm reading a name tape. I'm reading. Turn around.
Go, 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 go.
Turn around. I'm just reading what I saw.
Fucking rock, paper.
All right,
I'm gonna get
shooters ready.
Ready to get faster.
Right. I think he beat you though.
You didn't raise your hand, Alex.
I already knew my guy won.
Good job.
I'm just reading what I saw.
Winner on the left. All right.
Good job, Chris.
Killed it, dude.
Come on, Rick, take it home.
I need
Let's go, Fred.
George.
Oh, it's a surefire. They made the
Stand by.
I saw something.
Fred.
Left side winner. Back to the 10.
There you go. There we go. Let me...
Can I shoot from inside the CRV? Alright, everybody ready? Yep. Fire!
Happy 4th of July. I mean, happy 4th